Hey, how's it going? Roy Castillo here with iWireless POS. Hope everything's well. And wanted to show you through this video how to create a new accessory. And what we're going to do to get started is click on product inventory. So let's go ahead and select it. Where you're going to see right on top the descriptions on your inventory. You're going to see phones, accessories, repairs, receive order, and your orders. We're going to go ahead and select accessories and then selecting next, new. That's going to be the button that's over on the right side. Let's go ahead and select it and start off by typing in the description for this specific accessory. And you're going to follow that by scanning the SKU directly off the accessory. And I know that sometimes the accessories don't come with a barcode or with a SKU whatsoever. So if that's the case, don't worry about it. The software can auto-generate a SKU for you. We're going to click here where it says auto-generate, where you'll see itself being generated over on the input. Now we're going to go ahead and give it a category, which are they're going to be some earphones. And typing in a purchase price. This would be how much I bought it for, how much you bought it for. So if you bought these for about $19.99, you're gonna type that in and give it a resale price. This is gonna be the price that you end up giving to the public, your retail price. So let's do $39.99, followed by typing in the reorder alert. Once it hits, say I want to be alerted once it hits 3, which I'll know exactly how many I need to order by the time I get to this number. And then a maximum discount for this specific accessory. I'm going to allow my staff to give it a $8 on discount. Of course, you can select that as a percentage or as a dollar amount. That's depending on you. You want to select whether the item is going to be taxable or not, and typing in a restocking fee in case of a return or exchange. And to end, we're going to type in the commission that staff's going to be getting in case they do sell this specific accessory. So, this is designed to help you guys keep your staff on top of the game and take advantage of every person that does come into the shop. Let's go ahead and click complete once we're done on the top right side of the screen, which we're going to go ahead and receive an alert letting us know that the item successfully uploaded. Once you guys have completed those steps, you want to go ahead and jump onto the receiving order module, which is right next to repairs. You're going to scan the SKU off the accessory, where the software is going to automatically pick up the model, but don't forget to select the location that you're bringing these to. Once you do that, you're simply going to count the amount. So say you brought in about 15. You want to type that in, select add, click complete on the top right side of the screen, select your vendor, and type in your invoice number to help you keep track of the orders you've received in the past. Now you're going to have 15 accessories now available for invoice. And that's all. That's the whole process, guys. It's simple, it's quick, but if you do have any questions, you can always click here on the chat box on the left bottom side of the screen. Type in your question. You can say, "Hi, I need help." And either myself or one of my colleagues will immediately pick up the chat and give you a solution within a minute, guaranteed. You guys take care, have a great time, and we'll be in touch. Goodbye.